a bath today?
Well, because she's a bit grubby, so we thought we'd better just get her washed and clean, ready for you coming to see her.
Why?
Just so she's nice and clean. You right, will you tell Mummy if you need a wee? We can go to Mummy's special toilet if you do.
Yeah. Alright,
Yeah, Daddy will take you.
What did you play on at the park today?
not many things. It was where we went with Anna and Georgia.
You went where you went with Anna and Georgia?
Did you hear that hiccup?
Yeah.
Was it a hiccup?
That's funny.
I never heard my baby did a hiccup. It is a hiccup,
Yeah.
Daddy.
Is that the first hiccup you've heard your baby do?
Yeah. Maybe that's from patting.
Yeah, maybe that helped get the wind up.
Yeah, that's right, baby. Just wiggle for a moment. Oh!
And yeah, when you want to cuddle with Mummy, come and sit here and have a nice cuddle with Mummy.